Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Croc unboxing. Yes, girls, you heard it right, a Croc unboxing. So we all love Crocs. As a matter of fact, I pulled out a few of my favorites out of my Croc collection just to talk about them really quick, and then we'll do the unboxing. So let's go ahead and get started. If you like Crocs, go ahead, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Check out my Croc playlist and let's jump right in. So here is one of my favorite pair of Crocs. The reason I like this pair so much is because this is one of the pairs that has the lining, you know, the furry fuzzy lining. This is one of the pairs that has the furry fuzzy lining and it keeps you warm. You can wear this, you can wear these Crocs even in the fall. You can wear them with no socks if you want to because they have the lining. The ones with the lining run a little bit more, but they're worth it because you can wear them even in cold weather. And I absolutely love them. I have a Barbie gibbet right here. So they call these the gibbets for the Crocs. I think I have a piano. I got some dollars, some money right there. And then I have a rose, a flower right there. So I love this pair of Crocs. This is one of my favorite ones. I just went with a blue neutral pair. Another pair of my favorites are the tie-dye ones. Absolutely love these. I saw these everywhere, you know, the past couple of summers. Just about everyone was rocking the tie-dye Crocs. So I absolutely love this pair as well. And I just usually wear them in the summertime with my blue jean shorts. I strictly wear this pair in the summer, not in the fall. If you do wear them, you have to wear socks with them because they don't have the lining. But I absolutely love the tie-dye Crocs as well. So this is a fun pair of Crocs, the tie-dye pair. Another fun pair of Crocs that I have is this pair right here. And this is just a regular pair of patent Crocs. They're like patent leather. And I went ahead and I used some extra gibbets that I had on these. I went with like just a ball, basketball, tomboy theme with the basketball, the soccer ball. I just had some extra Donald Duck, some extra gibbets that I put on this particular pair of Crocs. I know I have a Wonder Woman gibbet. I love that on my Crocs as well. And just extra gibbets, you girls. Anytime you can pick them up, they're so much fun to add extra gibbets to your Crocs. So this is a fun pair. Now let's get to the unboxing. And here is the lovely pair right here that I'm going to be unboxing. Yay! Let's go ahead and pull these babies out. This is the way they were delivered to me. And they came in the box, but in a plastic bag. I'm surprised that the box wasn't smashed because they were just in a plastic bag. They weren't in anything else. So here they are right here, you girls. And I'm going to do the unboxing for them. And you girls, some of my ride or dies, you guys remember that we did a Croc giveaway on my channel. That was so much fun to do the countdown of the Croc giveaway. So yeah, you girls, let's go ahead and open these babies. I'm going to take a peek first before I show them to you girls. Let's take a peek here. They're so cute. Oh my God, they are so cute, you girls. So I knew what they were, but they're just even cuter in person. So here they are right here. Ah! The Barbie Crocs, you girls. They are so cute. Really, really bright color too. So let's go ahead and pull them out the box so we can enjoy them more. And this box is so nice and sturdy. It's going to be nice to keep them in. So here they are right here. So this is the first one. And it's so cute. It has a purse on it. It has a little pocketbook. It says Barbie, and then it has a boot. So one of the gibbets is a purse, a pink purse for Barbie, and then the boot, and then it says Barbie right there. And I love the back with the glitter, with the silver glitter. That's so cute. And then this is them right here. These are so cute. Of course, you could wear them forward like that if you just want to stick your feet in them. Or you can go ahead and just, you know, wear them with the back like that. So these are really, really cute. The next one right here, the next one right here is so cute because it has a Barbie car on it. And then it has another pocketbook purse. It's like a wristlet in the shape of a heart. Then it has two little stars. And then it also says Barbie right there. And like I said, it has that cute little purse or little, it's in a heart and it has like a little wristlet. It's like a little wristlet strap. So these are so adorably cute. Let me move the box out the way so we can go ahead and take a better look at them. And this is the information for them right here. And I just thought these were so adorably cute, you girls. The Barbie Crocs. Together, that's what they look like. These are going to be so, so much fun to wear. They're real cute. And I just ordered the regular size for them. I didn't go ahead and size up or anything. It didn't tell me to. At first, I thought the platform pair, I didn't really want a pair of the platform ones because I thought it would make me like be super tall. But you put them on and you don't even feel this little, they have some that are even higher platform Crocs and I didn't want those. But this little bit right here, it looks like a lot, but really your foot goes down into it. So you're not really standing that high up tall. So it really doesn't really make you that much more, you know, taller than you would normally be. But the little car is just so stinking cute on these. I just thought they were so, so cute. Ah! So here they are right here. And I hope you girls enjoyed hanging out with me today and talking about the lovely Crocs and my favorite Crocs and the lovely Barbie Crocs. Remember to like, comment, subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos. Stay tuned for mod shots and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.